Hi guys! To organize all of my stuff, I use these Systainers. They are mostly of a first type and I didn't find any template to use for an inserts I would like to build. So I draw my own insert using Adobe Illustrator and I cut it out by Shaper Origin, and this is the result. I would like to show you how I went about it.
For the project I am using 10mm thick MDF. This is the backing board from the same 10mm MDF. I am using double-sided tape to fix the material to the backing board. Shaper Origin uses this domino tape to navigate on a material. At any time it requires to register at least 3 dominoes by the camera. It only recognizes full untorn or uncut dominoes. That's why I cut the tape between dominoes. I use piece of wood to press tape to the material for better adherence. Work area needs to be scanned by Origin in order to proceed with work. After the area was scanned, I can place my shape on the working piece. I use Wi-Fi to connect the machine to Shaper Hub to download my piece. I made 4 passes with Origin with depths of 3mm, 6mm, 9mm and 10.5mm. On first 3 passes I used an offset of 0.2mm. The 4th pass went directly on the line without any offset. The holes in the middle are just for fingers to be able to pinch the piece out of the Systainer while testing. Unfortunately, I made a mistake and ended up with unnecessary hole, but for all what matters, it is just a test piece. I tried the finished piece in all the classic Systainers I have in my workshop. Makita sizes 1 to 4, Tana sizes 1 to 3 and single Metabo of size 2. The insert fits all brands sizes 1 to 3. It did not fit into size 4 Makita. I will design another one to fit this size. The insert base was designed so it can be put in or out the Systainer easily without hitting or be blocked by any Systainer part. I really like my videos getting likes and subscriptions, so please hit the like and subscription buttons. And while you are at it, throw in a comment, I will appreciate it. Links for the insert base are in description below, or you can look it up on Shaper Hub or Instructables. Should you find this insert base useful, please share with me what did you use it for. I am really curious. Have a nice day!